I got some new shoes that I'm going to test out today. We're looking at some totes. They are everywhere technology, and they're super comfy, machine washable, and antimicrobial. It says boost your mood. So these are some nice shoes to wear out by the pool. They're all, looks like they're all rubber here or whatever. The problem right now with the shoes that I have is I like to wear the Under Armour shoes. But these shoes, they don't like to get wet. Once you get them wet, they take forever to dry, and they can also have a little bit of a funk to them. My wife said the other day, she's like, "What's that smell?" And that's something you don't want to hear somebody say to you, especially when it's your feet. So your foot odor can get inside of these shoes when they get wet and create some real funk. So these are great shoes though. I love these shoes. They're super comfortable, but they may not be the best shoes to wear out by the pool. So we're going to go ahead and try out these totes here. Some of the negative reviews they said is they're a little bit hot. I don't plan on wearing them pretty much anywhere else except for out here by the pool when my feet get wet. So we'll go ahead and wear these while I clean the pool. I got to get the leaves out of the pool, and then the aerator is having some issues, so I'm going to go ahead and replace the aerator. I got a new one over here. We'll go ahead and show you what the aerator's doing. We'll clean the pool, we'll get in there, and then we'll come and get with my wet feet, and we'll test out these totes and see how they are. I'll turn the pool pump on here. You can see what the aerator's doing. Just kind of dribbling here. It doesn't really have its spray that it's supposed to be doing. It looks like it's really worn out. So we're gonna go ahead and replace it and see if a new one will get us a little bit of spray. The aerator is supposed to cool the pool water down a little bit. Let's see here, it says the pool water is 90 degrees, which feels pretty good to me, but if it gets much warmer than that, it's not gonna be any fun getting out here. All right, to clean the leaves up out of the pool, I'm gonna need something to hold my camera, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this GoPro head strap. I'm gonna hook the GoPro up on my head, and I'm gonna put it in a time lapse, and we'll get the pool cleaned real quick, and then I'll hook up that aerator. And then we'll test out the totes. I'm wearing them right now. They feel pretty good, but they do feel a little warm. That was one of the reviews people said, is that they get a little hot. I mean, I could imagine if they get in the sun, they'd be pretty uncomfortable. But we'll see. Like I said, I only really plan on wearing them out here by the pool, so. Mainly pollen in here. I'll get that out of there. Okay, so I'm wearing my totes. They don't feel too bad. My feet do feel a little sweaty though. That's one of the things that they said on one of the negative reviews. They do feel comfortable. I wasn't sure about these ridges here, but it does give a place, those ridges do give a place for your feet to breathe. So that does feel good. And we are cleaning the pool. Take my shoes off and get in the pool. So in comparison, there's the old one there. Not really doing much aerating. Here they are right here. New one nice and clean. The old one's pretty wore out there. See the size of the hole there? How much bigger that is compared to the new one. See if I don't know if I need Teflon tape. We'll go ahead and put it in and see what it does. The other thing I wanted to point out too is how much more thread there is on there than the old one. The old one's just got a tiny bit of thread there. You see that? This is all thread. here. Maybe there was thread there and it's worn off, I don't know. See that compared to the old one, it's actually aerating. All right, there's our new aerator. There's our pool rat. We call him Xander. But there he is, he's climbing the walls. Yeah, they feel pretty good. The water just squishes right out of them. So this was just the first test. We'll see how they do. We'll see if they hold up to the test of time. They also said they're really durable, and they said they have a really good sole on them. So this is what the sole looks like. I mean, I've only walked on the pavers here, so I haven't really walked on any rough terrain, but we'll do some more tests on them. So yeah, so far I don't really have any pros or cons. I mean, the pros are that they are rubber and they shouldn't stink. And one of the cons is somebody said they get kind of hot, but I haven't had a problem yet. Of course, I'm just out here by the pool. So we'll test drive these for another week or so, and then I'll come up with a pros and cons list, and we'll see what I like or don't like about these shoes. But yeah, they are totes, and if you're worried about the heat, if you're gonna wear these to like walk around the yard more or walk around town or something, they have some with holes in them, and so they might breathe a little better. But this is what it looks like inside here. I don't know if these are rubber or not. They said they're Everywhere technology. So I don't know exactly what they're made of. I'll have to look that up. Let's see, super light, super strong and durable, bouncy and springy. They did feel bouncy and springy. The softest, springiest, most super comfy sandal ever. Machine washable, antimicrobial, scuff resistance, super comfy, and puddle pal. So there's your initial review.